Audio subliminals are a unique and transformative tool that operate on the principle of bypassing the conscious mind to directly influence the subconscious. This is particularly effective for mental and emotional trauma, as these experiences often reside deep within our subconscious mind, influencing our thoughts, behaviors, and emotions in ways we may not be fully aware of. NeoOneness Subliminals specializes in crafting professional customized audio subliminals tailored to address individual needs and traumas. By embedding powerful and positive affirmations beneath layers of soothing sounds or music, these subliminals gently yet powerfully reinforce positive beliefs and assist in the healing process. The effectiveness of audio subliminals lies in their ability to consistently deliver positive messages to the subconscious mind, which can gradually replace negative trauma-related thought patterns. This process is akin to nurturing a garden. Just as plants need regular watering to thrive, the mind requires consistent, positive input to overcome the weeds of trauma. It's important to note that while audio subliminals can be a valuable complement to healing, they are not intended to completely replace professional medical or psychological advice. For those dealing with severe trauma, it's crucial to seek guidance from a qualified professional. Audio subliminals from NeoOneness can serve as a supportive tool alongside professional treatment, offering a personalized approach to mental and emotional wellness. Visit the NeoOneness Subliminals website now to get a customized audio subliminal to assist you with the healing process.